How to get AirTalk Wireless account number and PIN. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the AirTalk Wireless application. There are two ways. First is to contact your AirTalk customer service. This allows users an easy access to the report their queries and help them fix the issue. Simply call on the number provided on the screen to start the process. Call from your AirTalk phone number as it allows to quickly identify your account. The next step is check online. If you have an online account, you can visit the website airtalkwireless.com. On your online account, you can find an account management section. There might be a chance to view your account number. However, retrieving the PIN online might be restricted for security reasons. You can also visit the AirTalk Wireless support page for further assistance. So, this is how you can get AirTalk Wireless account number and PIN. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.